Girl, they don't stay regardless, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get the vibes, you get the vibes.
The cup too tall for you. This bonnet looks so big on my freaking head. But good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, January 11th. This is also my very first vlog for the new year. So happy new year, everybody. If you're new, my name is Pretty Gay. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I just had breakfast and I'm about to go do my laundry. So I think I'm just gonna do a day vlog because
yeah, I don't know why I kept saying day vlog instead of daily vlog. I could have sworn I said daily vlog, but y'all know what I mean.
I also have plans. I have plans today with my cousin, and yeah, we're gonna be out in the city doing girls things. She's my cousin through marriage. That's my stepmother's niece. We kind of grew up together. She's younger than me, but we kind of grew up together. Yeah, I haven't seen her in years though. We were supposed to link up last year because she came out here to do New York Fashion Week, but we didn't get a chance to. Like, she was at my dad's for the holidays. I found out she's out here and she's a flight attendant now and all this, so that's good news because we get to chill and link up more now. Yeah, this girl is so tall. Like, she's so tall. Like, she walked in the kitchen, I'm looking up at her, I'm like, girl, I'm not getting up, because I was sitting down. I was sitting down, I saw her, I'm like, I ain't getting up. Like, I'm not getting up. You're not about to embarrass me. Y'all haven't saw the picture of Kevin Hart and The Rock? I promise you, that's what we look like standing next to each other. Like, girl, I'm older than you. Like, why do I look like I'm your freaking niece or something? Like, it's crazy. At least she used her height wisely, because like I said, she was doing modeling. I don't know if she's still gonna consider that now that she's a flight attendant, but I'll find out all that. I know we're gonna have fun because like I said, she's a good vibe. I like that. Like, I like being around energy like that. Like, that's the type of energy I like to be around because I love to laugh. But yeah, so I'm excited for today. We've been trying to link up and we just never got a chance to, so now we finally get into, like I said, she's a flight attendant, so her schedule is crazy, which I'm used to already because one of my friends is a flight attendant, and I haven't seen that girl since her birthday in April. So yeah, it's about to be a whole year since I saw her. And not that we didn't try to see each other, it's just the schedules, it don't be clicking, so it's okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing more daily vlogs. I think I'm gonna start doing that. So I'm gonna see you guys later on in a couple hours because we're linking up soon. So I'm gonna see y'all. Enjoy the vlog, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So I just got to the city. I'm about to go meet up with my cousin. We about to hang out for the night. So yeah, we about to go get some food and do some shopping and get some drinks while we at it. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get into the mall. We came down here by the World Trade Center. I came by the Oculus. I was supposed to come down here from like Christmas time, and I didn't get a chance to. I'm in the building where the shops are. That's where you are? Okay. Hold on. We're gonna have to find each other because this place is huge. Look at her. Look at the model. Wait,
I'll be on first 48.
don't say that, Courtney. You better run. You see how tall you are? So I met up with my cousin. Hi.
Oh, you know what? I have a microphone. You want to use that?
Yeah, so we're at the girl. This girl's too tall. Courtney, how tall are you?
6 feet.
She looked like she's 7 feet, right? Standing next to me. But yeah, we're at the Oculus and we just came out the UGG store. I wanted a pair of UGG so bad, but they didn't have my color, so I'm gonna go somewhere else.
But I went on Amazon. I got a light. I need to be more comfortable
With the camera?
around people. Yeah.
Girl, they don't stay regardless, so. Yeah, so I'm here with my cousin and we're gonna get some food And then we're gonna get. I wanted a pair of Uggs, so probably go get a pair of Uggs. Girl, go get a guard. What you recording? For Instagram?
Yeah.
My short ass. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, my skin getting clearer.
So
my skin is clearing to me.
What do you use?
Girl, look at this giant next to me.
You can go down here, ladies, if you want.
Right there? Okay.
Straight across the hallway. I appreciate it. You're welcome.
We in Sephora. Good, what are you doing? You sound like India Irie or somebody.
The man who sings.
Oh, it's a guy? Oh, yeah?
Guy? Yeah. What's his name? He's on drugs now. It's so terrible. Terrible, he's on drugs now. What's the
I just said he's got a straight face.
You don't remember?
She getting makeup. I'm trying to find. I need to find like a toner. Yeah, I need a good molecules toner and that ordinary thing. I need that.
Exactly.
I'm trying to make sure this is the right one I'm supposed to get.
That was like after you wash your face. Right? That's what I'm asking you. You are?
I'm like, lactic acid. It's just so much different stuff. What do you got?
So I'm assuming you wash your face, you do this, and then you do this, and then you put on your moisturizer.
That's all this girl is. Y'all see that? That's crazy. I'm trying to find an eye cream because these under eye bags gotta go. The eye cream that I know works, so I had like a little sampler. It's like $65, and I'm like, maybe I should invest in it because I need it. It's a problem. So maybe I should invest in it. But damn, it's right here. Let me show y'all. Sunday Riley cream. This is a cream. This is the one right here. And I feel like I should get it because I need it. Like, it's definitely a necessity. Like, I need it. So I might get it. But I'm gonna pinch it. Sorry. I'm gonna pinch it like pea size every time. Because what? I was gonna get this, but I don't know if I should get it. That's why, like, my skin is not smooth enough. Like, you know? But yeah,
this
one.
Solistic too? Oh no, this is
No.
this
Yeah, I'm out.
guy. Okay.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Glycolic.
But they said this salicylic acid is good for that, like for your texture.
Yeah.
So I'm like torn because I want that one too.
He's really good for blood.
Oh, I heard about that too. What you want to say? All right, we out of Sephora finally after like 2 hours. Why you trying to put me on the spot like that? Why you trying to put me on the spot like? Why you trying to do that? Don't do that. That is not nice. But I got something I needed, so.
I see restrooms, but I don't see restaurants.
So Sephora done got all my money, and now we're gonna get some food because I'm hungry.
Success to be a maker.
So we came to get some food, but we gotta go get our own liquor because the restaurant don't have alcohol right now. So we come into this liquor store to get our own liquor. She said it's best to get it before we order, so we're gonna do that now. Yeah. Oh, bottle of Prosecco. Hello, good night.
Do you think this is good? This is good for the both of us.
Yes. Courtney said. Yo, Courtney is funny. Look at this big bottle. Courtney said, you think this is big enough for the both of us? Yeah.
You get the vibes. Like,
Remember, you gotta work in the morning, sis.
you got me doing standby.
Courtney. And you gonna be slouch on the couch doing standby.
The last time I did standby, I slept the whole time.
Oh, there's eggnog. I saw this eggnog and I wanted to get this. I didn't have no eggnog this holiday.
Me neither.
And I love me some eggnog.
And we had all sorrow.
Beer sorrow. There's some cute little spots around
I
here.
know, that's adorable.
Yeah, so we have to come get our own liquor, and we about to go back to Negroes Village, because I know there's one in this Brooklyn that I love. That's one of my favorite spots. So I'm about to come here and see how the food is out here. Courtney likes this area. She's looking like, oh, I want to move here. So yeah, we're here. We got our glasses here to make our own drinks. We got some empanadas. I wanted curry salmon so bad, but they don't have curry salmon. The one in Brooklyn, they have curry salmon. They got curry salmon, but this one don't have curry salmon, so I don't know what to do. All right, let's try the oxtail empanadas. Oh.
Experience with the oxtail.
Good.
Good.
Okay.
I'm actually really a fan of this.
The oxtail in there. What I meant? What's a piece of oxtail?
It's like all the meat and no bones.
I love it.
Love it.
Nah, I give this 10 out of 10. This tastes so
Yeah, this
good.
is so good. Okay, I feel like this place should be so much more packed because this is
Maybe
so
it's
good.
Thursday. Maybe it's Thursday. Yeah,
This is the bomb. This is actually really good.
the one in Brooklyn don't have this now. They don't have this at all.
Northside. Kalash, kilish, kalash. C-Tech. Da-da, 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 da-da. Yo, Kelch. Say you're bad from which part? We no gonna dip tag. Like Chinese war, so the clip tag. Show it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a discard, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bomb like Islam. And if you make I come, me know the enemy, them a pray, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity, that's how we shoot out pain.
You could do this with it.
You sure?
This is good, thank you.
Ooh.
This is great.
Courtney couldn't wait. Oh, you never had it before. You never had it before.
Like a
you're not
picture?
keeping up
Like
with
a
your Rio.
fruit? No, I'm not. Once I start eating, I don't care. I don't care. You gotta step in for me. Family. The cup too tall for you.
What is that? No, this is too big for me.
I'm done. I can't. Good for real. Yeah.
This is called Mom on the Grill, and it's the soursop flavor, and it tastes so good.
I'm trying to drink it down so I can put this in it.
Okay, bartender.
I'm back to my roots. Oh, it's good with this.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10 for this drink too.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
This whole restaurant is 10 out of 10. They just know what they're doing.
No, they doing it.
You know what they do.
I want to bring that. I want one to take home. I got to
A
go cup.
drink?
To go cup. Food. Some in the face. Yo.
Oh my God!
It's so good. I can't believe I said Asian food.
See? And people be like, oh, you're not selling Jamaican food? No, I'm not. Why would you ask me that? What kind of question is that? Why would I be inside of my own food? Like,
Exactly.
yo. Everything's 10 out of 10. And I'm telling y'all that before I even finish my food. said like, and the people right here are so nice. Like, they're so nice. They're like really welcoming.
And they're all from the island.
They're all from the islands, of course. I got jerk salmon, and she got herb salmon. The salmon look good. Courtney wanted to add this to it so bad.
I did. And it was such a good idea.
Yeah. They get a little kick.
Hitting.
We did something with the soursop drink. And
When they get the liquor back, they need to do this and then name it after us.
Not even after. It's a little bit of practice.
But at least I'm comfortable with the light out.
Taba with a 9X. And I'm no politician when me I go vote out. 4 kilo, 4 seat and 4 rounds. Remember me born Kingston. The love party forget love drink rum. AK shit like a Jada Kingdom. Everything rip club. So me stay sharp. When I play that, do we get it one time in the same spot? Like.
So as y'all saw in the vlog, we went to Sephora. There's some products I've been wanting to get, and I was just dragging my feet, but I needed them. And it's like, it's only 3 products, but according to social media, they actually work for your skin. But you know, everybody's skin is different, and I have sensitive skin. My skin is sensitive. So with these products, I don't have to do a patch test before I even go all out with them. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's jump into it. Yeah, so the first one I got is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Toner. They said this one is that girl, child. That's what they said. That's what social media said. This is $13, and they have a bigger bottle. So if this works, I'm going back for the bigger bottle. This is good for a lot of stuff. Like you would even put it on your, they said it works for a lot of stuff like crack heels, discoloration. So you could put it on your knees, your elbows, armpits, all of that. I got it for my face. So if it works for all that stuff, I'm gonna try it out, obviously, but I got it for my face. So they said it's good for ingrown hairs and razor bumps, dark armpits, oily scalp and dandruff. It brightens your skin. You can also exfoliate with it in a shower, like add it to your shower gel. It's supposed to smooth out your texture of your skin. My skin is really textured, and that's what I'm trying to get rid of, like the little bumps and like the pores. My pores are really large. So it's supposed to work for that. It's supposed to prevent breakouts. It promotes hair growth, and it's good for body acne. So you could, like I said, use it in the shower. So yeah, this is what the girls be using. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. But like I said, my skin is really sensitive. I'm definitely gonna do a patch test before with any of these products. Somewhere, not on my face, probably like somewhere in my body. So to make sure I don't break out and I don't have like an allergic reaction to it or something. I'm sure a lot of people already probably have this, but yeah, like I said, if this works for my skin, I'm going back with a big bottle. The next one I have is the Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc. Is it a serum? I think it's a serum. Yeah, I think it's a serum. Yeah, so now the niacinamide, it says the Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc, high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. It's good to smoothen your skin texture and target the blemishes and brighten your skin. So it's for your blemishes on your face, like, you know, the blemishes, the dark spots, all that stuff. The niacinamide is vitamin B3 and it's 10%, so that's a high concentration. Like that's to me, that's a lot. Like 10% is crazy. So like I said, I'm gonna patch test this one also because 10% is crazy. They could have did 2 or 5, but 10%, I don't know. I can't take that risk. These things breaking on my skin when I'm trying to use it to better my skin, you know? Yeah, so this one they said is really good for all skin types: normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. Okay, and the last thing that I was dreading to get, I was ready to get this, but I knew I needed it, and I had a sampler of it before and it actually worked. So I hope I don't regret getting this, because the amount of money I paid for this, child. What I paid for this, it better work. Okay, it better work. Yeah, so I got the Sunday Rally Autocorrect eye cream. It's to brighten and depuff your eyes. So this is what I'm struggling with my eye bags. See, my eyes is puffy. I just need something to help me with the puffiness. And I had, like I said, this worked. The little sampler that I had, it definitely worked. So I hope this works. It said instantly delivers a lift and depuff to look to the eye area while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. It has caffeine, lutein, and horse chestnut, whatever that is. So this is how it comes in this container. It's cute or whatever. This little thing was $65. But the sales girl told me that she got it for her mom. Yeah, she said her mom put it under her eyes when she goes to sleep. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna definitely try that. But yeah, this little thing, freaking $65. It better help with that puffiness. This little, yeah, it better help with that, because baby, see how little this thing is? But normally when things are this expensive, they do work. So we'll see, y'all. So yeah, that's it for my little Sephora haul. I'm praying these things work. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.